Somebody check on Elon Musk because Tesla just dropped out of the top 10 most valuable companies. I'm Kalila Reynolds, financial journalist and educator. Electric vehicle company Tesla just lost its spot among the top 10 most valuable companies on the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is the index that tracks the stock performance of the 500 largest companies listed in the United States. So, of course, being in the top 10 is a big deal. Now, as I record this on March 11, the index is led by Microsoft and Apple, which have market caps at or near $3 trillion US. Market capitalization refers to the total value of all the company's shares. Remember, we recently talked about how chip manufacturer Nvidia got up there as one of the most valuable companies too. So back to Tesla. The company slipped out of the top 10 recently after a dip in their stock price. Tesla stock lost 11% during the week of March 4 to the 8th and is down almost 30% since the start of the year. Yikes! So what caused the slide? Well, as with most things on the stock market, it's a combination of things. But for Tesla, two major points stand out. For starters, the entire EV market is struggling right now. You have big auto manufacturers like Ford and GM scaling back on their EV fleets because consumers are just not feeling them like that anymore. The research shows that consumers are hesitant to make the switch from traditional vehicles to EVs because, one, they're more expensive, and two, they have concerns about charging stations. We did a video on this last week, so you can check that out for more info. And with Tesla's entire business model being electric vehicles, this shaky demand is most definitely going to have an effect. But the real kicker is that recently, a Morgan Stanley analyst named Adam Jonas changed his outlook on Tesla. See, Jonas is a well-respected Wall Street analyst. He's referred to as a longtime Tesla bull. This means he's always believed and betted on Tesla's stock price rising. But last week, he lowered his stock price projection from $345 US to $320. He also said that there's a possibility that Tesla will actually lose money this year because of the EV slowdown, etc. So that kind of got everybody looking around like, if this guy of all people is changing his outlook on Tesla, then something is really going down. So the slide in early March pushed down Tesla's market cap to about $564 billion US, knocking it out of the top 10 most valuable stocks on the S&P 500. But it's not all on Jonas. Like I said, it's a combination of things because in addition to what I mentioned before, it looks like Tesla's newly launched Cybertrucks might be a flop. Some customers have complained about rusting and other issues. Plus, the trucks are kind of an eyesore, to be honest. So those sales probably won't be what the company hoped for. Also, Tesla's stock took a hit after Elon Musk bought Twitter, and that whole debacle, like I said, it's a lot. Now, Tesla does do some work in the artificial intelligence space, so that could help the company boost performance. But Jonas said he thinks Tesla will need to fix the auto side of the business first before they see any real impact from the AI side. And that's the bottom line. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn how to invest in stocks like Tesla, click the link up here or in the description for my Investing for Beginners course. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.